Today, we're gonna build some. Gonna build some hooks to hang our welding helmets and stuff on. So stay tuned. Basically, I'll go over what we're gonna need to be doing here. So hang tight. Let's get started. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and make some hooks. I've already got one made. I've got 3 more to make. Really simple to make. All you're gonna need is a pair of Vise Grips, flat channel Vise Grips here. Some round stock. I have this laying around. I think this is 5/16 or maybe 1/8 inch, whatever. Something you can bend around. And the old bolt cutters, gloves, and safety glasses. So without any further ado, all right, YouTube, let's get this started. Put our gloves on. Right here on the desk, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've got a 2-inch mark here. And I'm gonna come off of that and put a 5-inch mark there. It'll make sense here in a minute. What I'm doing. Woo. Go put a hat on. Rolling in my face. There we go. Got my old Trendsetter ball cap on today. Supporting my boys at Trendsetter Customs down there in Granbury, Texas. So, take your first piece, line it up on the 2-inch mark. Again, this is just nothing. It's not an exact science. Take it and just bend it over. All right. Bend that over like that. Over here. Line it up sort of like, kind of like right there. Yeah. Bend this one down and around. Get out of here, B. Come back through. Bolt cutters. Yeah, I know a cutoff wheel would work so much better on this, but you know what? I'm using bolt cutters because that's what I have to change. Over here, you can start it on the table like that. Use the table with some leverage. There you go. Here's one. So then, here we go. Hi, YouTube. Again, it's not an exact science. It's got to be enough to hang the welding helmets up out of the way. Oh yeah. Can't forget Monkey Boy's third hand up there. So, oh hey, there's YouTube. Yeah, as you can see. Believe I can fly. I believe I can sail away. Oh, you guys looking at it? Hey, there you are. There you go, YouTube. We have it done. Ta-da! DIY helmet hangers or whatever else you want to call them. Again, just take a piece of round stock, 1/4, 1/8, whatever you got laying around. Clamp it down on a set measurement, bend it, flip it around, bend it the opposite direction, put an S-curve into it, trim it off with some bolt cutters, or if you want to use your angle grinder with a cutoff wheel, you can. I chose not to. So, anyways, thanks for hanging out with me today in the shop. I think it's going to be a early day here in the shop. Got the welding cart of awesomeness. Not really. More like the welding cart of Frankenstein out being drying in the paint. So we'll see how that comes out here shortly. So we're gonna get the old Everlast Power iMake 230 up off the ground, and so we can actually use it in the shop a little bit more than just kind of in one specific spot. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Again, rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell for the icon down here in the bottom. I'll leave a link in the description of some stuff that I've used in the past. And I will give a shout out to Duke Cox. Made something today. I didn't fix something today, just made something today. So have a good day, y'all. Be blessed.